네가 없는 이 시소위를 걸어.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to a song that I didn't know even existed because nobody told me also. Armies, I'm really sad that you guys didn't tell me, or maybe some of you told me and I completely forgot about it. But this is August D, Give It To Me MV. This is also, I'm guessing, part of his August D album, because I've reacted to August D. A to the G to the U to the S to. That's like one of my absolute favorite songs. Listen, this song, this August D song, Yoongi made me download SoundCloud. Okay, I only use Spotify, but Yoongi's August D made me download SoundCloud. It was because of this song that I ended up downloading SoundCloud and I listened to all of their songs, because usually I listen to it in YouTube only, but this song, August D song, Yoongi made me download SoundCloud. I just wanted to say that. Yes, so this is Give It To Me. I cannot believe I didn't know about this song. And the fact that it has an MV, and the fact that I love August D so much, and there is another MV from the same album. I feel bad. Like, I am disappointed at myself as an army that I have not reacted to this song. So yes, I don't want to delay this any further. This just popped up in my recommendation. I don't know how. Okay, the moment I opened YouTube, this was like कि भगवान ने बोला, oh wait, I have to make you react to this song. Here you go. First recommendation on my YouTube homepage. मैं तो shock में आ गई. I was like, ये कब release हुआ? First I thought that when did this release? What is this? Is this a fan-made video, or because there's so many fan-made videos also? But then I was like, अच्छा ये तो actual hype labels के उसमें it is uploaded. So yes, let's react to Give It To Me. What do you want, Yoongi? What should I give you? Please tell me. I'm ready. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's react to Give It To Me. August D. Oh my god. Listen, Yoongi's solos now, whenever I react to Yoongi's solo stuff, he is this close to wreck me. I thought, because my love for Namjoon is so strong that nobody is able to wreck me in BTS yet. But you know, when I reacted to Daechwita first and then this, I was like, bhai, tum itne hi close ho. It's my willpower that I'm not letting you wreck me. So, is it gonna happen today? We don't know. Let's react to August D, Give It To Me. Oh, this has the same dark format. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, it had the visuals from August D. Beats. Just the way he started, his August D rap voice, where he screeches his voice. I don't know how he does that modulation that he does with his voice when he screeches completely, and just it sounds so raw and so aggressive. I love it. Like, Yoongi's rap voice has such a range. It really baffles me, guys. I mean, it baffles me, because if you listen to his, songs like Seesaw, which is also part of my intro. See, Yoongi is so important to me, His voice is part of my channel intro, because I love the way he raps, and his deep voice is so beautiful. But that voice, like Seesaw, and look at this. So, I love the range that he has with his voice, and he can really make the song, like he can really give a different life to the song. So, oh wow, the way he started, and this music that started, oh, I like it. Even my family didn't expect my success. I'm really eager to see the lyrics. 가족조차 인정한 덕종 난 공공의 적적 우리가 몇 개 덕종 본 형들은 죄다 또 맛을 봐 한 입으로 두말하면 대겨볼까 What you know about me You can control my shit 갈 거면 뱉은 말들 전부 주워담고 가 성공은 이유가
성공의 비법은 몰라도 망하는 비법 잘 알 것 같아 딱 너처럼 놀고 나불 때는 게 비법 죽어도 불쾌는 살것 같아 Give it to me 뭐든 좋으니까 가져와 Give it to me
He got all of that eventually. Whatever he asked for, he got. That's why this saying, what Yoongi wants, Yoongi gets. That's why? Because whatever he asked for, he got.
Give it to me 뭐든 좋으니까 가져와
Okay, now half the song is over. I want to go back to his verse. So many things he said. Just the lyrics are fantastic. And look at him in blonde. When Dechita Master, I reacted. I said, Yoongi in blonde hair is just freaking illegal. And here also he is bloody blonde, huh? ठीक है Yoongi. And the way he smirks, looking at the camera, like his August D version is just another level of savagery. So he starts with, let's just go back to the lyrics because there's so much to talk about. When it's a rap, then the lyrics are more important. Though, in terms of, because I don't know the Korean words, I really cannot get the bars and the rhyme scheme. Though that website, Dulcet, they really explain the wordplay so much well, because after I did the cypher reaction, one of you only gave me that link that go to the Dulcet website to check the rhyme scheme and how they have basically done the wordplay, and that helped me a lot. That made me appreciate the lyrics of cypher even more, because a lot of things get lost in translation as well. Okay, toughest cookie in the family, huh? Isn't his BT21 character called Shuki? Huh? That's so cute. Okay, even got me surprised. And this is 2016. Abhi wo kya bolega? Look at the success that they've achieved in 2021. So, wow, he had such a foresight. Let's go back to and look at the lyrics. I love, in August D, when he was rapping, it had a rhythm with the beat. To you, to the SED, I'm D boy, because I'm for MD. So that had a rhythm. Here, if you listen to it carefully, the beat is very it has a normal pace, but the way he's rapping, it's a little bit scattered, which is giving that song, I don't know, such a raw feel. Guys? Okay, these bros know how much. Same lip saying two different things and head to the big corporate. So I think when he's talking about big corporates, what I'm guessing is he's talking about big three. So that could be another diss to them. The line before that, wait. I am a public enemy talking shit about us and taking advantage of us. So I don't know what this thing refers to, because I know they were getting, again, going back to the previous when they were just starting out, they were saying that, they have betrayed, Yoongi and Namjoon, they have betrayed hip hop, become an idol. So is he talking with that respect? And then they're saying taking advantage of us. Who took advantage of them? I don't know. Because I know they were cut from broadcast and stuff. So I think because it's 2016, they really established themselves in 2016. That was the first time they got Artist of the Year, right? So that's where after 2016 the rise has been pretty exponential for them. So I don't know what advantage he's talking about. I think he's talking about some of his colleagues whom he knew, who sort of moved into big corporate. Those bro know how the money goes. Same lips saying two different things. Could be in front of him they are being all nice, but in reality they are all snakes. Behind his back they were bitching about him and stuff like that. And then, or probably saying same lips two different things and head to big corporate. So probably there's people that he's referring to that you said that you'll stick around and stuff, but eventually you backbited me and went to the big three. That's how I'm decoding. Wherever I'm wrong, please let me know. What do you know about me? Take back all you said before you bounce. So whatever promises you made, take that all back. Like, own it up. Okay, be brave and own it up, and just before you bounce, before you leave. I like this line. At least I slept less and move around more than you. It got me this. Wow, what a line. This laugh of Yoongi is fan. I love it. I love when he does this evil laugh. Money, fame. Whoa! I love it. Just the way he's rapping. I'm looking at the lyrics also, but his flow is fantastic. The way he's modulating his voice on this song. I'm sorry, I'm literally a simp for the rap line, huh? Really. And when he says, I cannot live with the dog, you can hear at the background, he's making that barking noise. Whoa! Damn, man, Yoongi, he's a freaking genius, man. I love him. Pour me what you got. I know, guys, I'm really actually intrigued with the lyrics. After Cypher, I'm totally crazy.
For the show, fame, flashback, give it to me. Give it to me.
I love it.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Modern Jonica.
Just his aggression and his voice is just making this song so good to listen to. So good to listen to. You can just feel the anger, the aggression. His flow is fantastic. So many flow switches. I'm loving the... oh my god. Freaking Min Yoongi. I'll not let you wreck me. I'm such a big simp for the BTS rap line. I can't even tell you. Khatam? No! Jaldi khatam ho gaya. Got over so soon. It's the same trailer of August D MV, and now it's fallen. Damn. The beat he produced for this song also. Wow. I love it. Can I just go back to the verse? My god. You punks go fight. He I don't give a damn. He's literally written, I don't give a fuck. But oh wow. This hardcore lyrics. I know they won't do it now. They will even Dechita. If you see Dechita lyrics, they're also pretty hardcore, but they still have a sense of, I don't know what the word that I should use. There's a sense of decency in the lyrics. If I should use that word, decency, I'm not saying these are indecent lyrics, but these are explicit. This is much more harsher. Though Dechita, even though is a very brutal song, but it's much on the softer side. But this is like aggressive. This is aggressive. This is more aggressive. I don't think we'll get any kind of song like this, which makes sense also because now they are also grown as men and their mindsets have changed and all. Here they were really like, here you can feel that Yoongi feels betrayed by the people. And now he has accepted that people, there would be many snakes that they'll encounter in their musical journey, and now he doesn't give a fuck. Basically, he doesn't give two hoots about anybody else now. So of course at that point of time, because now they tasted success and then they started rising exponentially. So I can see that aggression, and now they have mellowed down. They have become mature. So you can see the maturity of how the music has changed. So I really like that. I really, really like that. Nice. His voice, god damn, his voice. What a beat he has produced, man. His presence, his screen presence is just freaking amazing. Amazing! How did I not know of this song, man? Wow. Dude. Love it. Fantastic. Fantastic. Just freaking amazing. Brutal at its best. Brutality at its best. He's not holding back. He's giving it back to all the snakes that he has encountered. This is not, I don't think this is generally for the haters. This is specifically directed to a set of people whom he knows, whom he knew, not knows, whom he knew, and who sort of betrayed him in his life. This is specifically for those. Damn. I love it. I love it. I'll add this to my SoundCloud playlist also. My SoundCloud playlist is like very few songs. Like I listen to August D, Still With You, Bicycle, Abyss, Winter Bear. I think these are only the 5 songs that I have on. और भी कुछ है क्या? Oh, I have Promise. Hello, I have Promise. Jimin's Promise. So these are 6 songs that I have added to my SoundCloud playlist, and I just keep repeating them again and again and again. So I'm gonna add this one also. Give it to me. I just love Yoongi's voice so much. The way he raps, he's one of the best rappers that I've seen. Not just in terms of flow switches, in terms of him being a producer also. Like the beat. Look at the beat he created. And then his voice modulation, the range of voice modulation he has while rapping. That's what I said before, that he can really give life to, a song and make it very, very unique. Like, listen to this and listen to another song of his. It'll feel like, 2 different personalities are rapping. So that's something I really appreciate about Yoongi. So yes, that was my reaction, guys. I'm so happy this popped up in my recommendation. August D, I love his August D persona. I hope, and I'm so happy that he finally produced D2. He gave us D2 last year. Let me know. See, because I've already listened to all the songs of D2. So if you want me to do a review of D2, like I did for Mono, do let me know, guys. Do let me know. And yes, that was my reaction for today. I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. I want to know your thoughts on the song. And yeah, please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I have also opened a new Instagram account. Please do follow that as well. And I will see you soon now on my next video. Bye-bye.